The solubility product values of some salts are given in this question, that is silver chromate, silver chloride, silver bromide and silver iodide. We need to find out the salt which will precipitate last when silver nitrate solution is added to the solution containing equal moles of sodium chloride, sodium bromide, sodium iodide and sodium chromate. The solubility product can be defined as it is the product of molar concentration of the corresponding ions of a particular salt in its saturated solution. And when the solubility product is less than that of the ionic product, we can say the precipitation will take place. That is, when ionic product exceeds the solubility product, the precipitation process will happen. Here we can calculate the solubility product of silver chromate, that is equal to concentration of Ag plus the square multiplied by the concentration of chromate ions. Now we need to find out the value of concentration of Ag plus ion by using the other values. The Ksp for silver chromate is 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 12. So we can rearrange this equation for the value of concentration of Ag plus ion. Now we can write it is equal to square root of solubility product divided by the concentration of chromate ion. By substituting the values, we can write 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 12 divided by concentration of CrO2 minus raised to 1 by 2 is the concentration of Ag plus ion. This is the maximum concentration. It means this will precipitate by the addition of sodium chloride, sodium bromide, sodium iodide and sodium chromate. So from these options, the correct answer is option C.